Welcome back everybody. Today we're here to talk about how to fit a battery into a CTR style stock. As you can see, doesn't have the normal releases that you'd expect on a stock. Very easy way to do it. Grab the two prongs here, slide the stock straight off. Sometimes this spring can be incredibly tight, so you may need to use, say, a plastic wedge or a plastic angled screwdriver to get underneath it to raise it, because these springs can be really tight. And then it's a simple case of stock tube battery on this, standard stock tube. Slide your battery in, plug it in, and then refitting is the same as reverse. Pull that lever down, in, locked, and as you see it won't come off the end because of that locking pin. So that can be very tight, but I hope that helps everyone. Ciao for now.